It is going to be a fun one. What's up? I am Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are part of the Fit in 5 series where I put a video out every single day, and my mom does the workouts from South Carolina. I'm in Virginia. So she has been loving the workouts, which makes me happier than anything because she's moving. And everyone wants to see their mom and parents live forever. I'll speak for myself. All right, so we are doing these delts. We're focusing on our delts today, our upper back and our triceps. This is a extra light band, and you're just holding it in place on your wrist while you're lifting up the other one. Keeping the band light, so the pressure is all kept in your delt, versus if you go too heavy, you're gonna be pulling up with your trap, which we don't want that. My sweet, sweet mom gave me these huge traps, and I know that they do a lot of work already, so I want want them to share the love and build up my delts a bit. Let's do 3 more. They should be burning, burning, burning. Good. Good. All right, let's shake it out. Let's do the other side. And I hope you always feel comfortable commenting below with any questions or any thoughts that if you love certain exercises or don't love or can't figure out the form, let me know and I can kind of talk through it. And whether it's just my mom commenting or anyone else. Good, you're coming straight out to the side with this movement. And you can still feel it in your shoulder that's not moving because it's being steady like a tree. Steady like a stump. Being steady like a stump. Let's do 3 more. Going nice and slow. That's the important part. And again, remember, you're not bringing that trap up. You're not shrugging your shoulder. This is keeping your shoulders down. You're just extending. Going slow. Woo! They are burning. So before we get to our upper back, we're going to work our tricep. So kind of just holding the band across my chest. And you can see I'm holding for a second and then I'm breaking. Holding, breaking. This is working what some could call your horseshoe muscle back there. I love working my trap. One, it's a great way to break up arm movements. Like I said, my shoulders were kind of toast, and so I hope and can imagine yours are too. So this is a great way to throw in a isolating movement, but also accessory work. But most excitingly, I call it the motivator muscle. I feel like you work your tricep for every arm workout, even if it's just a little bit. Like that's a perfect amount. Okay, shake it out. Let's go to the other side. Then that tricep will come in and it will make your arms look so much more defined, and it's motivating when you start seeing the progress. So then you're like, okay, let's keep going, let's keep playing. The hard part is keeping your arm straight. So your arm is straight, tiny break, and then you're straight again. I'm like every nurse's dream. I've got great blood flow to my fingers. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Ooh, it should be burning by now. All right, last arm exercise for this 5 minutes. You're doing a bent over row. You're just going to hold onto the band and hold onto your leg. So that's your anchor. In this part, you're just coming up and squeezing at the top. You can feel it in your rear delt, but also think about squishing your shoulder blades together. So squishing those shoulder blades, working these muscles all around your shoulder joint, building, maintaining these muscles are in support of your shoulders. So then you can go about your daily tasks much easier with less joint pain, keep up with grandkids, keep up with your kids, and just keep up with grocery shopping. Someone's got to bring it in from point A to point B. Ooh, okay, let's go to the other side. goal here is to age with ease, become forever fit. So that is what we are doing here. I know it feels like such a small little movement. If you can't figure that movement out, and I know we've already done the other side, you can also hold on to something, like maybe it's a doorway. You can hold on to a doorway, and you're just squeezing your shoulder blades together in the back. So let's do 5 here. And for the sake of evening our bodies out, let's do the other side too. Good. I don't necessarily love not being able to face you, but I also want you to see the movement. Squeezing everything together in the back. Squeezing, resting. Good. All right, that is it for today's Fit in 5 5-minute series, working our upper body. We will also be working our upper body tomorrow. See you then.